Good day, guys. Today I'll be starting with something very simple, a very simple flyer. So let me show you what it looks like. This is what we want to design. A simple flyer for data advert. Now let's get started. Let's write all our text. Press this plus sign. Weekend offer. Weekend offer. Capital letter. Then enjoy more data at a sweet rate. Enjoy more data at a sweet rate. Okay. Increase the size, then put it somewhere here. That data is capital letter D. Y rate is also capital letter R. Okay. Then 1 gig for 270 naira. One gig for, you can copy it, drag it here, 270 naira. Now we are done. We are almost done rather. There is a shape here. Change the color of the shape to yellow. Yellow. No. Okay, this is the yellow. Good. Good. To order, there is one text on the top of this. To order, call 08060377646. Okay. Then let us import our photo. The photo and the money. There is one text here. Easy data. Okay. Okay. Then the image of the man. Gallery. Then it should be in my Photoshop. Photo. Now press this first arrow to change the position. To change the position of the image, then crop it so that the name, the watermark Photoshop, will be removed. this is what you will press to change the position. This one here. So when you press it, the position will be changed, then you will crop it. They are done. Increase the size and put it somewhere here. Send it to the back. Now press this place. Press this place. When you press it, you can lock, scroll to the picture of the man, you can lock it so that it will not be moving around. That is lock. Okay, we are almost done. The only thing left is to work with a very good font, then change the color. All this one, they are in default color, not really black. You will see now 1 gig. Let me change it to black. Can you see? You think it is black, but it is not really black. You need to change it to your desired color. Now this one we can offer. It's the same color of that shape right here. Yes, let's change the fonts. This is the font that I'm using. This. Enjoy more data at this rate. Now come to B style. I want to put that data. And let me see how it will. This font is already bold already. Let me find a lighter font so that I can bold that data and read. You see that data is bold now. I want to bold it too. B, then drag this one to rate and press bold. Now let's change the font for this one. Size, decrease the size. The size I use is 27. Then go to relative position to put it in the middle. Good. This one, this 270. Go to click on it. Go to background. Then change the background color to this yellow. Yes. Just increase it right and left, up and down, so that it will be the same. Good. Almost done. Decrease this easy data. Change the color to white, black. Then decrease it. I did not change the font from the default font. It's just okay. It's okay by me. The next thing is to 1 gig data, size 36. The next thing is to align all this. Make sure they are aligned. Make sure they are aligned. Now let's check. Press this. Press this place. Then press this place. Drag it. Is that vertical or horizontal? Yes. Okay. Now I need to shift 1 gig a little bit, then 270 a little bit. And that is all. You can save. If you want to save your work, press this place to save. Save as project first. Then you can now save as image in case you want to edit anything. So if you save it as project, you can always have it back. Now align. I'm sorry, line spacing. Then space it a little bit. 5. That's that. I already have it, so I don't need to save it on my phone again. So it's as simple as that. In the previous video, I'm very sorry, I have forgotten to add this blood money. Just import it, then put it somewhere around here. Copy it, rotate it like this. There is not so much to it. Put another one here. Then you can copy it again. And that's all. Then I remember this. All those one are capital and uppercase letter. And that's all.